Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about everything Kaspa. If you are enjoying these updates, guys, smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button, and now let's get right into it. So if we're looking at the markets, and if you did watch my XRP update earlier today, I did kind of indicate as to what's really happening with the broader market. So far so good. Going into Tuesday morning, the overall green is carrying on. Bitcoin has seen a little bit of a bounce within its price, hence you are seeing quite a bit of green across the board, specifically for altcoins. As we do go into Tuesday morning, so far so good. And tomorrow is very, very important, as you guys know. We are going to see that debate against Kamala Harris and Donald Trump. So of course, a lot of people are excited about that. But let's talk about Caspa because it's doing exactly what we've been speaking about on the channel. And again, if you're a regular viewer, you guys know exactly that. So looking at the price, 16.10 cents, up 7% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 3.5% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap is just shy of $4 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at $39.1 million. So far, so good. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So look what's happening with the dominance index. And again, if you do follow the channel on a regular day-to-day basis, you guys know what I'm talking about. Even though we did see a sharp drop within the dominance, I did indicate that, dominance will pick up very, very fast because of the fact that, Bitcoin is still pretty much on the edge. And on top of that, even when Bitcoin starts making a move towards the upside, especially the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, a lot of people start getting excited thinking that Bitcoin could potentially start heading towards all-time highs. And when that does tend to happen, more money does tend to go into Bitcoin. And you can see we actually saw dominance going up to 57.43%. So like I said, it's going to climb up very fast. So that has of course happened. But in the meantime, if we take a look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is looking amazing today. And again, when I pull out the charts for you guys on the daily time frame, it will really make sense as to why I'm saying that. So Bitcoin actually retested the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level today. Of course, we saw a rejection at that key resistance, but we're seeing strength picking up. Of course, if the price of Bitcoin is in the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, I think we're good, and we're in the safe end. But of course, in order for us to get excited, in order for me personally to get excited for the broader market, we do need to see Bitcoin sitting at $64,000. But as of now, we did see that retest at the 23.6. Obviously, saw a rejection because of course it's a huge resistance. But let me know down below what you guys think. But look what has happened with Kaspa. Kaspa, on the other hand, was able to make its way back into the 78.6 in a snap. And again, been emphasizing this over the course of the last few days for you guys. And if you want to put this into perspective, we're looking at literally from September 6th at 14 cents price point. If you picked up Cas at that price point, you are up right now about 15% in a matter of literally 2 days. And now as the price of Cas is trying to break towards the upside, you can see we do have a significant amount of resistance also coming in its way. But I do believe that Kaspa will get into the 61.8 quite fast and start retesting the major key resistance. And this is where I can start having conversations about Kaspa potentially starting to go into the 23.6, which some people obviously see as an all-time high zone. So you guys know at this point the significance of this resistance, which is around 17.27 cents, so almost 17.3 cents. If you want to put this into perspective, it's a move of about only 7.36%. And if Bitcoin going into Tuesday morning does make its way back up to 60K level, and dominance, even if dominance were to pick up, I would not be surprised that Kaspa making its way back into the 61.8 and potentially retesting the key resistance. And of course, we might see a little bit of rejection. Maybe we do see the price head over to this zone, might see a little bit of a rejection due to obviously this being a massive hurdle, which is of course a massive resistance. But pretty much if the volume is on our side and if the overall market momentum is on the side, I think we could actually break out of this key resistance pretty much after a month of consolidation below it. So that would be something that would be really nice, of course, but we need to take it one step at a time. And I know I've been hearing so many comments coming in from a lot of people saying, well, Kaspa is not listed on centralized exchanges. This is crazy. This is that. This is this. This is that. I want you guys to just quickly remind yourself how much Kaspa is up over the course of the last 1 year. And again, these numbers are a little inaccurate. It's shows 299%, but it's actually up thousands of percent from last year if you picked it up. So, people that think we're not in a bull market, I really hope you guys are looking across the board to see how many coins are actually up over the course of the last 12 months. Actually, less than 12 months, we're definitely in a bull market. Yes, not all altcoins are performing, but that's just how it goes. Some coins don't perform, and this time, of course, the ETF narrative, Wall Street coming, regulation coming. There's a lot of things that need to go into consideration, but so far still good with Caspa. The fact that we're back in the 61.8, the 78.6, but the target remains to be that key resistance. But do let me know down below what you guys think right now for the broader market. Do you think this is a complete fake out, or do you think this is going to start pushing the market towards the upside leading up to the FOMC meeting? And once the FOMC meeting comes out, we might see a little bit of a sell the news event taking place, or shoot up, because if an interest rate cut does happen, of course that is going to have a positive impact on the markets. Let me know down below what you guys personally think. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.